Hi all, this is Madhusudan. So in this session I would like to explain how to configure a Selenium project. Okay, so if you want to work with Selenium, we should have the following softwares. The first one is Java software, and the second one is Eclipse IDE, and the third one is we should have the Selenium jar files. Okay, so in this course we will be working Selenium with Java, so we should have the Java software installed. So after that we have to download and use the Eclipse IDE. So this IDE means integrated development environments. So the use of this Eclipse IDE is to simply maintain your projects. Once you have created all your automation scripts, if you want to maintain all those automation scripts and to maintain all your files easily, we should have to use any of the IDE. So this Eclipse is one such IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. Okay, after that we should have to configure the Selenium jar file with your project that you have created in Eclipse to write the Selenium automation scripts. First let us see how to install the Java software. So to install Java software, simply go to Google and type download JDK 7. Okay, and here you will go to the first link, click on the first link. So it will take you to the Java download page, and come down here and simply click on accept license agreement, and here come down. So based on your operating system, you have to select the appropriate Java software. So since my operating system is a Windows operating system, so I should have to select either x86 or x64. So this also depends on your type of operating system. So generally the Windows operating system is of two types. One is a Windows 32-bit and another one is a Windows 64-bit. So if your machine is a Windows 32-bit, we should have to use this software. You have to download this one and you have to install that. So let's say your operating system is a Windows 64-bit, then you have to download this software and you have to install that Java software. Okay, so let's see how to find out whether your operating system is a 32-bit operating system or a Windows 64-bit operating system. So to find out that, simply go to the start and right click on properties. So then here you will see the operating system type. See here, system type 64 operating system. So if your machine is a 32-bit operating system, then here you will have 32-bit operating system. Okay, since my operating system is a 64-bit operating system, so I should have to download 64-bit Java software. Okay, so I will download this one. So if your machine is a 32-bit, simply select this software. Okay, so download the Java software and install the Java software. So that will that makes your system installed with Java. So after that, what we have to do, we have to download the Eclipse IDE. Okay, now let us see how to download the Eclipse IDE. Again, simply go to the Google, simply type download Eclipse and go to the first link, and that is Eclipse downloads, and simply click on that link, and this will takes you to the Eclipse download page. Here we have to download this Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. Here also again we have two types. One is the Windows 32-bit, another one is the Windows 64-bit. Okay, so if your machine is a Windows 32-bit, simply click on this link, and if your machine is a Windows 64-bit, simply click on this link. So mine is the Windows 7 operating system, which is a 64-bit operating system. So I have to go here and simply click on that. Okay, so now it will take you to the download page. Simply scroll down, and here you will see please choose a mirror close to you. So first always prefer to select the first option. Okay, so this is the place, this is the server nearest to your country, so that you can download your software fastly. So simply click on this first link. So then it will start downloading a zip file. Okay, so this is the Eclipse software which is downloading now. This is a zip file. Okay, so once the download of that Eclipse zip file has been completed, then you will see a window like this. You will see a zip file like this. Okay, so simply click on that zip file, right click on that and simply extract. Click on extract here. Then you will see a folder downloaded, extracted like this. Eclipse folder will be extracted. So in this, after opening this Eclipse folder, you will see the following items. So what we have to do is we have to click on this eclipse.exe file. Okay, so simply click on eclipse.exe file. Okay, so as soon as eclipse.exe file, it start opening the Eclipse. After that, so you will see a following link. So once you have opened the Eclipse IDE, so what you will see here, you will see the following option here, which will ask you for a workspace. So slow. See, like this, it will ask you workspace. So you have to provide a path from your machine. So this workspace is nothing but the path where all of your projects will be stored. Once you have started writing your code in the project, so all those files will be stored under this workspace. Okay, make sure that this path should be valid, and also it should have the access rights like write permissions. All those things should be there. Okay, so once you have entered the workspace, simply click on OK. Then so you will see a window like this, a welcome window. So the Eclipse is being loading. So I have entered the workspace and I have clicked on OK. So now it will show you, it will take you the welcome page of the Eclipse. So simply close on this. So again here we will get the outline, which is not necessary for us. Simply close outline, and also the same way we should also have to close the task list. Okay, so now let us see how to create a Java project. Okay, now to create a Java project in the Eclipse, simply go to File, click on New, go to Project. So it will open up a new project window. So there you will see Java project icon here. Simply click on select that, simply click on next, and give the name of your Java project, any whatever the name you want to give, you can give that. Here I want to give the name as Selenium project. Okay, after that simply click on finish. So I think again it will ask you open perspective. So see, do you want to open this perspective now? This means the Eclipse is opening your project in the Java perspective. Okay, so simply click on yes. After that simply click on finish. So now a Java project with the name Selenium project has been successfully created. Okay, so this is only the Java project. Okay, so if you want to configure Selenium to this Java project, what we have to do is we have to download the Selenium jar files, and those Selenium jar files should be configured in this Java project. Now let us see how to download the Selenium jar files. Again go to Google. So I will go to Google and I will type download Selenium jar files. Download Selenium jar files or jars. Okay, so now you will get a download Selenium link. Simply click on that download Selenium. then it will take you to the download page of seleniumhq.org. So this seleniumhq.org is the official website of the Selenium. If you want to check any updates, any releases or anything, whatever the things that are related to Selenium, all those information will be provided in this official website. Okay, so now our goal is to download the Selenium jar files. For that, simply scroll down, and here you will see a heading Selenium client and WebDriver language bindings. So here, as we are working Selenium with Java, simply go to the corresponding download option. Simply click on the download link. Then it starts downloading the Selenium jar file. See here, it is downloading the Selenium Java 2.42.2 zip file. So now the latest version of the Selenium is 2.42.2. So because of that, this jar file has been downloaded. Simply go to the jar file, the zip file. So now I will copy this zip file, and I will go to any of my local directory, and I am creating one more folder here with the name. So let's say the latest Selenium jar files. So latest Selenium jars. Okay, so I have created with the name latest Selenium jar. So I will copy the Selenium jar files here. That is a zip file. So the zip file has been copied. Now I will extract this zip file. So right click on that zip file and simply click on extract here. So it will extract all the Selenium jar files here. So see here, so now it will extract a folder here. The folder has been extracted, and if you could go to into that folder, see here, we have in the libs folder, we have so many jar files. All these jar files are nothing but the Selenium jar files, and outside of this libs folder again we have two more jar files. Okay, so now if you go to the Eclipse, here we have created a Java project with the name Selenium project. Now what I want to do is, I want to make this Selenium this Java project as the Selenium project. For that, what we have to do is, we have to configure the Selenium jar files. Let us see how to do that. So simply click on the source folder, right click, and here you will see a build path. Simply click on that build path, and after that you will find this option. Simply click on configure build path. So this will open up a window, a Java build path. In that we have another sub option, libraries. Go to that libraries, and in that again we'll have the following add jars, add external jars, like that. So simply click on add external jars. So it will open up a window, and in the earlier previously we have downloaded the Selenium jar files, and we have extracted those to D drive. So go to the D drive and go to the folder where we have extracted our Selenium jar files. We have extracted our Selenium jar files in this folder. Simply click on that, and here we have Selenium jar files. Open that and open the libs folder and select all the Selenium jar files. Click on open, and we have two more jar files left. Click on add external jars. Go to the Selenium jar file directory and select again those two jar files and click on open. So click on OK. Now the Selenium jar files has been successfully added to your project. Now this Selenium project has become a Selenium project. This is earlier a Java project. After adding the Selenium jar files to this project, that will support the Selenium scripts. If you want to write the Selenium scripts, you can directly write here. and see here we got a reference libraries here. So this is the place where all our jar files will be stored. So this will refer the jar files from your external directory. So we just downloaded the jar files to a latest Selenium jars in the D drive, right? So those files will be listed here. Okay, so this is the way how we have to configure the Selenium project in the Eclipse. Okay, and one more thing is make sure that you should have to install the Java software before opening the Eclipse IDE. If you don't have Java installed, the Eclipse IDE will not be opened. So make sure that before opening the Eclipse IDE, you should have Java software or JDK installed. Okay, so this is all about the configuring Selenium in your project. So in the next session, I will be letting you know about how to find elements on a web page and how to recognize web elements and how to interact with them. All those things will be discussed in the next video. So thank you all. So we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.